What's up, everybody? Okay, here's the deal. Do you have a small engine with a recoil starter and the pull cord looks like this? Well, so do I. I'm going to show you how to fix it. All right, first things first, you want to get your recoil unit off of your engine, so you're going to want to remove things that are in the way. So in this case, got to get the fuel tank out of the way. All right, now the fuel tank's out of the way, and so we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 bolts holding the recoil assembly on. Okay, so I got the recoil out of or off of the machine. Now this is just a bracket that held the fuel tank in place. So I'm gonna flip this over, and I can see right here that I have the broken end of the line still in there, and here is the hole, excuse me, right there where the rope goes through. So I'm gonna try and poke that through using my little handy dandy surgical poker. So the cord is completely pulled through, and I did tie it to the old pull cord. This is a way to ghetto fix it. If you want to use it once and you're going to put it away for the winter time or whatever you may do, this is a way to ghetto fix it. But of course, this is not a long-term solution. So to actually replace it, pull the cord all the way out till it stops, jam a screwdriver in here because this is spring-loaded, and then you will see where the cord is attached. It's right in here, and it comes out right through here. This little piece right here almost looks like a staple, and that basically just goes right through this metal piece and it punctures into the rope to hold it in place. So you're going to want to grab a pair of needle nose pliers or something, hang on, and yank that guy out. Okay, now here's that staple that I had to pull out of here to remove the pull cord. It did take some strength. This was clamped down, and I had to push down with a pair of pliers here and pull at it with another pair of pliers, but I got it out. Now, I did have just this cord laying around in my shed, so I'm actually going to try and stuff this through, and then I'm going to pull at the length of the old cord, and we should be good to go. All right, little Jimmy's Garage tip here. To get the end of your rope nice and hard, like the old one, to snake it through this little tiny spot, use super glue, which I always also got at Dollar Tree, and I just stuck some right there on the line. I'm going to give that a couple minutes to dry and then cut it, and you should have a nice stiff end to work with. That's what she said. Oh, and that just worked like a charm. I just snaked it through the outside. It sat right in there perfectly, or went right through perfectly. So the next step is to get that staple in and then to cut this cord the same length as the old one and tie it to the handle. Okay, now that I have the line securely in place, I measured with the old one, gave it a little bit extra because it was cut and tied back together before. And then to reattach to the handle, you can see there's just a knot in there. So you want to cut right here, and then you'll fish the line through and just tie another knot and pull it through nice and tight, and you're good to go. All right, everybody, the next step is basically putting the recoil back onto your machine. I had those 4 bolts. I had the little bracket on there. I put the fuel tank back on. And as you can see, this is sitting perfectly. So I got lucky with that measurement. It's on there nice and tight. I got a big fat knot in there, and it's great. I'll give it one pull here just to show you. I haven't gone through this motor, so I'm not gonna go too crazy, but just here to show you that it pulls nicely and sits in place. So that is the quick, easy, simple way how to replace the line on your recoil. Guys, smash that like button, subscribe for more videos. Please share this video. I hope it can help you guys. I appreciate everyone watching. We're coming up on 100 videos. I'm going to do something really cool for the 100th video, so stay tuned for that. But as always, guys, stay safe out there, and I appreciate you.